Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Shivalilamba. So today in this video we are gonna talk about something related to nutrition. So these days hair suffers the maximum damage due to harmful UV rays, harsh chemicals in hair products, hair styling and pollution. To make your healthier and stronger essentials, nutrients specifically needed for hair growth and health becomes important. So Chicnutrix Bounce brings to you exactly what your hair needs. Chicnutrix Bounce, formulated with a unique vegan hair recovery complex made up of 20 amino acids, helps support nourishment to hair with biotin and selenium for healthy and bouncy hair. So, what is selenium? Selenium helps biotin to recover and repair hair health. It also maintains the scalp health. Chicnutrix Bounce, the packaging of this product is really very attractive. As you can see it's really very funky. So all you have to do is just take a glass of water and pop a tablet into it, just like this, and it will completely dissolve in its own. You can see it and have a fizzy feel. Wow. And I can't tell you guys how delicious this is. I have this raspberry flavor. This nutritious is so delicious. Everybody can try this out. So delicious taste. So this product is available in two flavors. One is raspberry and another is green apple. Yes. So इसका जो पैकेजिंग है ये बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली है. आप इसको कहीं भी अपने साथ ले जा सकते हैं ताकि आपका कोई भी गैप ना पड़े, आप अपना न्यूट्रिशन कंटिन्यू रखें. So now comes my final take on this product. Okay, I am not going to give you a final review or something like that. I have not styled my hair today. I have not even combed my hair today. So it is totally tangled, messy right now. ये मैंने इसीलिए करा ताकि मैं आपके सामने दिखा सकूं कि I will show you the amount of hair fall. So this is my comb and let's start detangling my hair. As you can see it, एक बाल मिला है मुझे. देखिए, एक बाल मिला है क्योंकि मैं पिछले 2 महीने से यूज़ कर रही हूँ और मुझे काफ़ी अपने हेयर्स अच्छे लगने लगे इसको पीने के बाद. एक साइड से तो कॉम्ब हो गया है और बस एक ही बाल मिला है इस वाली साइड से. अब दूसरी वाली साइड से डिटैंगल करके देखते हैं. इस साइड से भी सिर्फ एक ही बाल निकला. As you can see it, only one here. I would definitely purchase this product from myself again, and I would also recommend you to all at least try this once. See, एक भी बाल नहीं आया मेरे हाथ में, एक भी नहीं. So you can see the difference. The price of this product is $7.25 with 20 tablets. But if you check my description box, you will get a coupon code. If you use that coupon code in Chicnutrix official website, you will get 10% off. So definitely avail that. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye. Bye guys.